Hi everybody, Sanbanani. Welcome to Reality Buzz TV. So listen, you guys, I want to say thank you to everybody that is watching my videos on this channel and my other channel. And I appreciate it so much for those that have been watching my playlist on this channel. I can see the hours going up, but I wanted to show those who say that they can't find my playlist how to find a playlist on the channel. So you guys, if you go to my channel, obviously you are going to search Reality Buzz TV, and then when it comes up, you click on the name of the channel so that you can go directly to the channel. And then when you get here, there are these tabs here: home, video, short, live, and then playlist. Okay, and then when you click on the playlist, I have three different playlists here. Okay, when you play a playlist, it's better, let's say you're working and you just want to help me with the hours, so you can click on the playlist and make sure that you've set it up that videos just automatically play one after the other. Okay. Then if you do that, you guys, then my hours will move up quickly. So this is for those that say that they don't know how to get to the playlist. So I have this reality TV reviews, reality buzz randoms, and I have reality buzz commentary. Okay. This is how what you do if you're looking for somebody's playlist. Also, you guys, if you are looking for videos and but you're looking for a video that was originally a live, if you're looking for a video that I recorded as a live, these are videos that I just recorded, and they were not lives under videos. But if you want lives, you have to go here under live, and then you will have these three, because I've only done three lives on this channel. So I did the review for episode 1, and review for episode 2, and then I did the review for episode 3, you guys. So that's all you need to do to find the videos that you are looking for. Thank you so much for supporting me on this channel and the other channel too, you guys. So let's get back to what I want to talk about now, you guys. We all know that MaKhumalo and Macele have this show on SABC 1, I believe, that is called Ezomshado. Okay, they've been helping people with their marriages. I believe that it's not just people that are in polygamy, so it's just normal marriage problems. So even if you are not in polygamy but you're having marriage issues, you can actually be on the show. Okay. Now, you guys, of course, a lot of us always wonder how they get to work together, because uMacele noMaKhumalo, sometimes they'll be having tension on the show. I mean, I can understand how they can just pretend for the sake of getting the bag. Okay. Sometimes when you need to get money, actually, Makumalo answered one comment on her Instagram when somebody was asking Utaibo, you guys, how do you work together when you don't get along? And she said, listen, money first, okay, problems after. So they're able to just pretend so that they can work together. I did watch an episode or two, you guys, of the show. It wasn't exciting enough for me to really like want to watch the show. I guess if you're in a marriage and you want to get some ideas on how to solve your issues in your marriage, maybe you can watch. It's that kind of a show. And for me, you guys, I'm that kind of a person that if I have to go and see a therapist, my therapist has to be a stranger, and it has to be somebody that I know nothing about when it comes to their personal life. Because for some reason, I want to pretend that my therapist has a perfect life and my therapist is able to solve all of their relationship problems. Okay. They are not stuck like me, they're not lost like me when it comes to relationships. So I would have a real struggle to have Amakoskaza Kamselegu help me with anything when it comes to marriage, because we are watching their mess, okay? We are watching them trying to figure things out. So for me, it'll be like, they'll be trying to give me advice, and I'll be like, hi, Bopela, now I think and at the same time, mabefika nje ngaqale ngibabuza ukuthi imani-ke, you guys niyakhulumisana ngempela or nizokhulumisana just today to help me? That's the only reason I think that it wouldn't work for me, because I've watched them so much on TV. But I guess for other people, you guys, because even other people who are watching the same show that we are watching would be feeling like they have a perfect marriage, which I don't know how people make that conclusion, but other people do feel like they have the type of marriage that they would want. So it says here that Musam Selego's wife show helped are married. She's basically talking about how Ezomshado has helped her marriage as well. This is a story about Andiswa Ngeyane for Daily Sun. The new reality show Ezomshado has played a big role in helping Tobile MaKhumalo in her marriage. The show, which airs on Mzansi Wethu on Sundays, is hosted by MaKhumalo and his sister wife Busisiwe Cele Mseleku. They help couples with their marital issues, and MaKhumalo said this has helped her navigate through her marriage. She is married to a prominent businessman and polygamist Musa Mseleku, who has 4 wives. MaKhumalo, who is 34, spoke to Daily Sign about a return of Ezomshado and how it has helped her. Season two is bigger and better. The show is no longer 24 minutes, it is now 48 minutes. Plus, we are on prime time slot on Sunday. During the festive season, we had researchers going out there to find couples and hear their stories. This season, Magdalena and I went around South Africa speaking to different couples and hearing their stories. We then brought them to Durban to shoot the show, she said. She said they tried to make the show easier for the couples this season. We have our resident therapist, Tobani Zondi and Sipo Zawadi, who made sure that they helped the couples once we bring them to Durban. We also added games that couples can play so we can see exactly where the issues are in their relationships and where they stem from, she said. Makumalo said that she and Macele faced backlash from people in Mzansi after being announced as the host of the show last year. A big question we faced during this first season was that people knew us from TV, our other show, Uthando Nesthembu. So they asked how come we say we help people in their marriages when we are in polygamous marriage and people have seen from the show that we have issues in our family, which is a valid question, you guys. The response to that is that with being involved in Ezomshado, while you are helping other people, you are also being helped. Okay, I wouldn't want that from. I know they're not therapists, you guys, but I'm just saying that if I'm going to somebody for help, I wouldn't want them to be like, listen, let me help you here so that you can help me back. You know, you are helping me through me helping you. Okay. You can't help someone without relating to their issue. And the minute you relate, that someone receives help, you are also growing as a person and getting help. The reason we also have experts is because we can't just help people based on experience. These experts also help us. This show has helped my marriage and has made me a better wife, said MaKhumalo. Okay. So I guess you guys, the show not only helps the people that they bring on the show, but it also helps them more specifically Umakumalo in her marriage. You guys, listen, I absolutely think that they got the show because they saw that people watch Uthando Nesthembu a lot, you guys, and even if you look at videos that we do, if a video is about Uthando Nesthembu, there's a little bit of like more interest in it. I think that's why they got the job. I don't think that they got the job because people really felt like they have something big to contribute towards helping people with their marriage problems, I might be wrong, you guys. Correct me in the comment section. I really don't think so. I think that they knew that their numbers were going to do very well in people watching the show. Anyway, you guys, that's what's going on here. What do you think about the show? Do you guys watch the show like religiously, like we watch it on the table, or are you like me, where you just watch that episode when once you come across it? By the way, you guys, I think it's on a DSTV Mzansi Way to not SABC one. I think I made a mistake there. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers in Nitanda.